In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a powerful tool called GoalSeek. This is basically a tool in Excel where you build your formula, then tell Excel the answer you want, and have it work its way backwards to solve the problem for you. Pretty much anytime you're using numbers to solve a problem in Excel, you can use GoalSeek to do some of the heavy lifting for you. We'll walk through a couple common problems today. So the first thing we want to do with GoalSeek is set a reasonable deadline for somebody. So let's say we want to give somebody a tasker today, the 20th of April, and we know from past experience that it takes about 30 days to get this job done. So we can use GoalSeek to determine what the actual due date should be for this project. The first thing we want to do is build our formula. In this case, we're going to use net work days, which is a formula I cover in another video, so we won't go into any detail with it here. Just know that that's what we're using. We're going to build our formula. We're going to put in our real start date of 20 April, and then we're going to add a placeholder date of 21 April, because that's going to change in just a second. Then we navigate to our data tab. We go over to what if analysis. Then we select GoalSeek, and this is where the fun can begin. So we're going to set this cell to 30 days because we know that's how long this task should take, and we want to change this cell to be the realistic due date. We're going to press OK. Excel's going to tell me that 30 work days is going to come out to a due date of 30 May. That's actually a Saturday, so we'd probably assign the following Monday as our turn-in date for this project. We're going to leave that OK. The next thing we'll do is solve a pretty common problem, which is paying off our student loans. Let's say that you have 15 grand left on your student loan balance, and you're putting $350 a month toward it on a monthly payment. That means you have about 43 months left to pay your student loan off. But let's say you want to get out of the Air Force in 3 years, and you don't want to carry your student loans with you back to the real world. That's a pretty reasonable goal to make, and GoalSeek can help you figure out how much money you need to throw at your student loans to pay those off by the time you're ready to leave. So we'll go back to GoalSeek, and this time we want to change this cell because it has this balance divided by our monthly payment in it. And we want that answer to now be 36 months. We want to change this cell to get there. So we'll go ahead and press OK. Excel's going to do that math, and it tells us to pay our student loans off in 36 months when we're ready to get out of the Air Force, we need to be paying $417 a month to get that balance down on time. And those are just two ways that you can use GoalSeek in your life to make decisions and math a little bit easier to make.